Hi everyone, this is Shamla from Cash for Trade. Today we are going to see about Bollinger Bands in this video. This is the indicator that is popularly used. I use it for my own intraday trading. This is created by John Bollinger in the year around 1980s. It is developed around 21 moving average, and they have included two other bands, the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band. We will see in the charts about it. And the Bollinger Band uses standard deviation calculation. We need not get much into standard deviation for now. I'll create a separate video on it. It is nothing but the calculation measure of volatility of the market, where it is going to go in the next few days or the previous days. So it has the central line, and one above the central line is the upper Bollinger Band, and the line below the central line is lower Bollinger line. And we will be discussing about two terms in the charts. One is about the squeeze, next is breakout. So we will quickly move on to the chart. So first we will see about Bollinger Bands in Nifty. I'll show you how to add Bollinger Bands here. Go to studies. This is the kite platform from Zerodha. In studies you have to type Bollinger Bands and you'll get it there. I'm just using the default values and you got it. This is the central line I was talking about, this is nothing but the 21 moving average. So whenever the price moves around, it will always go back to the central line. The central line attracts, it's like a magnet. It attracts the price towards itself. So whenever there is a breakout, see what happens is when the lower Bollinger line comes down and the upper Bollinger line goes up, there usually will be a breakout. See, in this case we can see breakout is nothing but when the price closes below the lower Bollinger line. If you see, this candle closes below the lower Bollinger line. This is a breakout, and this we can confirm it with, because the upper Bollinger line is going up and the lower Bollinger line is coming down. So along with the breakout, if we enter somewhere here, we can get easily 30 points. This is 15 minutes chart, so I'm talking about intraday. 30 points intraday is huge. So same way we can see is any other places, this will work very nicely. Even here you can see the upper Bollinger Band, the price has crossed and closed above the upper Bollinger Band, and see how beautifully the price moves up, and we would have got 30 points easily. You can even go for 3:1, that is 3 reward and 1 SL risk ratio, and check for it. I usually trade for 10 points SL and 30 points profit in this, and it works like a charm. Even in this case we can see here the upper Bollinger Band is going up and the lower Bollinger Band coming down, and there is a breakout here downside, so it closes below the lower Bollinger line, and you can see the price has come down. Yeah, this is a classic example of it. See, we can see the squeeze. The upper Bollinger line comes down and the lower Bollinger line goes up. There's a squeeze here. Both the lines are coming together, and after that it starts expanding. The upper Bollinger line goes up and lower Bollinger lines comes down, and the candle closes above the upper Bollinger line. That's a breakout. If we had entered here, we'd have got 30 points easily. Again here, after a squeeze, we can see a squeeze here. So after that we can see a breakout. The upper Bollinger Band goes up and the lower Bollinger Band comes down, and if we had entered somewhere here, easy 30 points. Again same here, the upper Bollinger Bands is a breakout and gap up on the next day. So this is how we trade the Bollinger Bands. It's a superb tool for breakouts. If we are looking for any channel, if the price is traveling in a channel for a long period, to identify the breakouts, we can use Bollinger Bands. We can also include volume or any other tool with this for better results. I'll also show you one more chart. I've taken Reliance. I will add Bollinger Bands into it. Yeah, here you can see there's a squeeze after expansion. There's a squeeze, and after that there's a breakout. Upper Bollinger Band goes up and the lower Bollinger Band comes down. There's a breakout, and we had entered here easy 30 points. We can take any such instances. See, there's a beautiful squeeze here, and if we had waited and entered, there's a breakout, and if we had entered somewhere here, it goes up. Same here, the price is moving in a channel for a long time, and after that there is a breakout and the price goes up. Same goes here, it is moving in a channel and breakout. So we have to make sure that the price closes below the lower Bollinger Band if it is going to come down, or above the upper Bollinger Band if it is going to go up. That we have to make sure before an entry. So this is about the Bollinger Bands. You can trade, you can check out for you can use this for long term also. Quickly check on daily charts. Yeah, see, there's a channel kind of thing, and there's a small squeeze here, and after that there's the upper Bollinger Band goes up and lower Bollinger Band comes down. There's a huge fall here. It's been in the channel for a very long time. If you see, there's no predominant breakouts anywhere here. You can try this and let me know if it works for you in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to create an account with Zerodha and be part of our trading community, you can mail us at cashfortrade@gmail.com, or you can also send us a WhatsApp message. I have given my number in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.